or
May 2nd.
May 2nd. We're out here on the Elk River, which flows into the Chesapeake. It's a beautiful windy day with gusts up to 25 and steady wind around 18. But anyway, wanted to do this video for you people. A lot of you love just the pure sailing aspect of these videos. And I know a lot of you like to see me doing projects, but I can't be doing that all the time. And then there's always some of you that like me to do the cooking and things like that. But today we're just sailing with friends, sailing with our good friend Chips and Johnny holding the camera. So enjoy your day. If you like what you see, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, but you told us that people sometimes complain if you're doing too much sailing or too much cooking.
Yep. I mean, I appreciate all comments, but everybody's got to be patient. Your thing will come around eventually. Because one thing I know for sure is boats need maintenance, so you're always going to get a maintenance video.
You can never do too much sailing.
You can. That's what it's all about. It's about sailing. So that's what we're doing today. And some really good wind, as you can tell. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind noise. If not, I'll put the captions underneath.
I think the wind speed's around 18 knots.
Yeah, it's a good day. It's a good day.
Yep. And you're making, well, this is an island packet, so you're making about what, 2 miles an hour?
Oh no, we're
that was a joke.
3.9. We're at 3.9 knots.
3.9. Okay.
So we could be doing better, but we don't have all the sail out.
Yep. What trips?
Oh, you betcha. Talking pretty nicely out here.
Tom's going to demonstrate the composting toilet in a few minutes to let us through it.
Play-by-play.
Tell us the real story of the life story.
The real story is, you throw one of these lifesavers out and it has a rope tied to the end. And then the bitter end, you have tied off to the boat. But I took this home last winter to clean it, and I forgot to tie it off to the boat.
That's like the second time, isn't it? Because the first time you looked at it, it wasn't tied. So I think as a captain,
I'm not a captain, so it doesn't count.
well, you're our captain. You should give Chips and I the opportunity to have you jump overboard, and we'll see if we can pick you up with a life sling.
Yeah, we'll do that on a calm day when it's 90 degrees out.
This is more challenging. Chips is for it. I'll handle the mast and the boom. Chips can steer the boat.
Sure.
Well, the excitement is a bit over. We didn't get it on film, but we had one rollover. Not that bad.
Yeah, we didn't lose the mast either.
A little challenging.
We did a tack into these waves, and it was quite the experience. We got wet.
We have a combined age of about 210 years here.
Yeah, lots of experience. Just not the right kind.